Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition front left interior door handle that fits the 2006 to 2012 Ford Fusion, Lincoln MKZ, Lincoln Zephyr, and Mercury Milan. Now this handle is going to fit the front left side of the vehicle, which is the driver's door. As you can see here, this handle actually comes with a blue film covering it. This simply peels off, and this is to prevent any sort of scratching during the installation process. You can see here the lock roller is here, and the door handle's here. And if we turn around here, you could see the connections for the cables. Now this handle is a direct replacement for the factory handle, so you'll simply remove the factory handle that's secured using the factory mounting locations, and you'll bolt this one in its place. Now, if you guys have any questions about installation or anything else, please feel free to reach out to us directly, and we'd be glad to help.